Hello, West Coast Sweat family. I'm so excited to announce our first retreat for 2025, and we are going back to one of my most favorite places ever, and that's Costa Rica. So we'll be right in Jaco, right on the beach, close to the beach. We'll be there February 16th through the 22nd. This is a magical place. So many of you from our community have been on this retreat and you know how special it is. And I'm just not talking about how tropical and beautiful everything is, but the way we'll explore our practice and this time together that we can really create this time for play, for renew, and specifically we'll be incorporating things and doing things that's going to help improve the quality of our lives so that when we come out of the retreat, out of this place of renewal, we can be ready to make little changes, right? Tiny actions, but that can really pack a big punch and really help us feel happy, which is what we all want, right? So what are you doing next February? You ready for some fun in the sun, some hot yoga in the beautiful jungle? Join us at this retreat. Ask us any questions, and we'll see you on your mat in Costa Rica, February 16th.